I was burnt out from chasing clients. Cold DMs, ignored. Funnels, expensive. Ads, flopped. So I did something radical. I fired my outreach team, turned on an AI video engine, and let a system sell for me 24/7. The result? 1,000 plus qualified leads, $20,000 plus per month in booked revenue, all without a sales team, funnel, or paid ads. The best part? I never showed my face, never recorded a single video, never touched a cold email tool again. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built it and how you can launch your own AI sales machine in the next 30 days. Stick around. In part 3, I'll show how we reverse engineered top YouTube channels to do this without ever filming. Part 1, step by step, the AI sales engine blueprint. Let's break down how it works. Step 1, build a problem-solving channel. This isn't just a content channel, it's a sales channel in disguise. We picked one outcome-driven niche, helping coaches and consultants grow with AI. Your turn. What's the $5,000 problem your audience is already searching for? Example niches: how to get a visa without lawyers, how to save $1,000 on insurance in 10 minutes, how to replace cold calls with content. Step 2, create an avatar, not an ad. You're not selling, you're solving. We made an AI avatar that looks and sounds like me. Smart, no pressure, friendly. And that became the face of our sales machine. It teaches, it builds trust, it converts at scale. You can do this with a virtual clone of yourself or a simple voiceover with visuals. This isn't about being viral, it's about being valuable. Step 3, stack your distribution without extra work. Every video, 10 plus assets, long form YouTube, 3 to 5 shorts for Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, blog, email, podcast snippets. We didn't film anything twice. We let AI cut, crop, write, and repurpose it all. That's how we built inbound demand, not with ads, but with education. Part 2, teach to close, the AI video funnel that sells. Here's where the leads come in. Instead of pitching offers, we answer real questions. One video, one burning question, one subtle CTA. Some of our top performers, how AI can replace your sales team in under 30 days. The 3 video funnel that gets booked calls every week, how to automate 90% of your lead gen without ads or outreach. Each video ends with, if you want this built for your business, book a free strategy call below. No shouting, no scarcity tactics, just value, trust, conversion. You do the same. Use your real DMs, questions, objections, turn them into videos. Let the avatar do the explaining, the system do the qualifying. Part 3, clone. What works, but do it smarter. Still wondering if this works? Here's what we studied. Top creators, top educators, but they're doing it manually. Ali Abdaal, Neil Patel, Graham Stephan. Their content drives sales, but they're still filming, editing, writing scripts. You won't be. You'll be cloning their system and automating it with AI. AI writes your script, AI creates the avatar, AI repurposes content across platforms. And while they're filming another 5-minute video, you're closing another $5,000 client on autopilot. Part 4, want us to build yours? This is what we build, not just videos, sales machines disguised as content, one AI-powered video per week, repurposed for 6+ platforms, trained AI agent to qualify and convert. We call it the authority engine. We've launched them for business coaches, consultants, immigration lawyers, insurance advisors. If you want your own done-for-you system, book your free 30 minutes strategy session below. I'm Anukul from Authority Videos, and we build content that closes the deal